A Dodge Extended Warranty, also known as a vehicle service contract, is a comprehensive and valuable investment designed to provide mechanical coverage for your Dodge vehicle beyond the factory warranty. Chrysler Factory Warranty only offers genuine Mopar vehicle protection. Your Dodge vehicle deserves nothing less than coverage that is backed by the company that built it. With a Mopar Extended Warranty, you can be assured you will only have Dodge certified mechanics working on your vehicle. Another huge advantage to this coverage is that all the parts used to repair your Dodge will be genuine Mopar replacement parts. Today's Dodge vehicles have some of the best high-performance technologies on the market. This, along with all of Dodge's high-tech safety and entertainment features, make the Dodge vehicles very technologically advanced. All these advancements are sure to put some thrill into your driving experience. You can also add peace of mind to your owner experience when you add a Mopar Extended Warranty to your Dodge. Owning a vehicle often means dealing with unexpected repair costs. When you buy a Mopar warranty for your Dodge, these expenses are covered. It's also no secret that a comprehensive warranty adds value to a vehicle. When you purchase an extended warranty for your Dodge, you are also enhancing the resale value of your vehicle. Another great feature of a Mopar Extended Warranty for your Dodge is they are customizable. Chrysler Factory Warranty takes great pride in helping our clients find the right warranty for them and their Dodge vehicle. Visit www.chryslerfactorywarranty.com or call 855-730-1290.